Arrma Limitless, 8S pass. Let's test it out. Track, it's already on track. Let's hit start. Testing. All right, Deja, let me know if I'm clear. Am I clear? Let's see if this car goes straight. All right. Shit! It took off in the air. Everything just flew apart. What the fuck? I mean, shit flew everywhere. Okay, get out. Start picking up stuff. I see what I lost. My GPS is gone. I see that. Because here go the plastic piece. Motherfucker took straight flight. Here go my GPS. Dog bones flew out. Whole body flew apart. Hey, my GPS still working. Shit. Let's turn all this shit off. Where the hell did this dog bone come from? My wheel? Alright. Where am I at? Because I gotta know where to come back and check. Alright, right here by this little bush. That motherfucker took off in the air on me. Did you see that? I know you didn't see that. Because you weren't even looking that way. Hell nah. Whole body just came apart on me. Let me see what I'm missing. What you got? Oh, that's it? I think I saw some shit fly off in the ditch over there. You probably gotta go in the ditch and look for it. It was moving good too. Oh shit, I'm about to scratch up my damn car. Unscrew this. Let's see. Okay, that's that dog bone right there. Came out the car. Where'd that little round thing go? I just took off of there. I know it just fell somewhere. Oh.
20/20 vision. I just about to die. The whole thing is wrong.
Let me see my body. Jesus Christ. It just came apart like that. Wow. The dog bone came out. How fast was I going when it took off? The GPS still right here. Woo, I found my GPS. Glad I found my GPS. Stop. It took off at 134. 134, that's when it took off in the air. My motor thing came loose. I don't think that I'm missing nothing. All right, 134, took off, took flight. Oh, look at my tire. Deja, look what you did to my tire. What the hell? Alright, let's do this. Get rid of that. I guess we could turn this off. It's still working, so looks like it came apart a little bit right there. Just a little bit. So this all that came out? My battery. So okay. That's for my fan. So this all I lost? Besides these body clips. Everything look okay? Oh shit, my cup. My cup came off. I'm missing a cup. So the cup came off, so that's why this wheel was free. Motor. Okay, well, that ain't that bad. I don't think I'm missing too much of nothing. My batteries are here. Huh. Motor ain't that bad. Lucky I got a brand new body at home, huh? Okay, I don't think I'm missing too much of nothing. Just the body just came apart. Got some air up under it.